So far we have learned what JavaScript is, where it runs, and how to use some of its built-in commands such as alert, console.log, and document.write. And we have written JavaScript in the console, in an HTML codes, and in an external JavaScript file, which will link to our HTML file. Now it's time for you to work on your first coding challenge on your own. There will be many coding challenges throughout this course to give you opportunities to practice and make what you have learned stick. Let's open the finished program and go through what you'll need to do. You are going to practice using JavaScript by creating a simple interactive welcome page. Here's how the program works. When the program loads, the page will display an alert dialog with a message, "Welcome to my page." After I click OK, page heading appear on the page. Right after that, "Well done" message will be displayed in the console. To start this coding challenge, first download the course folder from the link in the description below, unzip it and open it with your favorite code editor. Here I'm using Visual Studio Code. From the course folder, open the exercise folder called Coding Challenge Interactive Welcome Page. And then open the index.html file using Google Chrome. Here I also open the JavaScript console. In the index.html file, I also linked the script.js file. In script.js, you'll find step-by-step instructions for this coding challenges created by JavaScript comments. In JavaScript, there are two types of comments, single-line comments and block comments. To create a single-line comment, we can use // before the line of code like this. So everything on this line after this // will be ignored by the JavaScript engine. To create a block comment, or sometimes it's called a multi-line comment, we use / and star at the beginning of block of codes like this, and star / at the end of block of codes like this. So everything inside this block will also be ignored by the JavaScript engine. Now let's go through the instructions. First, you'll need to display an alert dialog with the message, "Welcome to my page." After that, you'll write the following HTML markups to the current page. Finally, display the message "Well done" to the console. When you work on this coding challenge, please keep in mind that you are not expected to remember or know everything right away. You can use your notes or feel free to go back and re-watch all the related videos. This coding challenge is a great way to practice what you have learned so far from the previous 6 lectures and help you make what you have learned stick. And remember, practice makes perfect. So good luck, have fun, and in the next lecture, I'll share my solution with you. Hopefully you were able to manage all the steps successfully. If not, that's okay. As I mentioned earlier, learning how to program takes a certain period of consistent learning and practice. Now I'll walk through my solution with you. To make an interactive welcome page program, I first use the alert command to display an alert dialog with the message, "Welcome to my page." The alert message, as we have learned, should be inside the quotation marks. You can use either single or double quotation marks. I use double quotes. Next, I use document.write command to write this HTML markups to the current page. Finally, I use console.log command with the message, "Well done" to display it in the console. Alright, so far we have covered some of the very basic concepts in JavaScript and programming in general. Now it's time to level up and get into more complex programming challenge. Next, I'll teach you how to store and keep track of different informations in our program using variables. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.